All right, here we go. All right, it is November 20th. It is 3 o'clock. It's still raffle season here in Missouri. So I slid back in here to my grandma's. And I'm gonna try the other side of the farm this time. I haven't run it over here at all. I actually rode past a little spike or foghorn, I'm not sure. He was bedded down in the woods. And as I was setting up here in the cedar, I had two does jump up behind me. One went back that way, one went that way. So the deer are definitely bedded in here, which it's really thick, so I knew they would be. So I got set up in this cedar. I got the winds coming across, blowing up that way. Most all my pictures that I have been getting in here, the deer have been coming from in front of me here, so the wind will be good for them. So I'm gonna sit back, be quiet, and see if I can put some on the ground. It's almost to the point where if it's brown, it's down, you know. I won't shoot a little bitty buck, but if a decent one comes through, I'll kill it, or any doe comes through. So hang tight, and we'll see if we can make it happen. It's a little warm, but you know, it's rifle season. You gotta be in the woods. That's all she wrote. I just looked up and I seen legs going through down the fence line on the neighbors. And I was waiting for her to get out in this open, because if she was going to get out in this open, it was going to be on this side of the fence. And I lost her. And I couldn't see nothing, didn't hear nothing. And finally I heard her jump the fence, and I seen her ears move. And she come right out here, hit this open, and she froze and stopped. So I went ahead and just took a front shot at her, put her on her neck and let her eat. Down she went, so cha-ching! Alright, just got down, I'm gonna go track her. Before I go track her, that bike right there is a game changer, boys. It is a game changer. I love it. Rode to the base of the tree. Laid the bike down right there. That's where I was. Rode it to the base of the tree. So, time to go track. Well, there she is. She came through right over here. The neighbor's fence is right over there. Walked down the fence line. Got onto the other neighbor's. And then I heard her jump the fence, and she jumped the fence right there. I waited until she got here to this clearing here. Shot her. And this evening, when I came in here, I was actually thinking about getting over here in this corner. It's not a very big spot, but it's open. But now that I look at it, besides this tree right here, there ain't very many trees I could have got in. So I just got in the tree. Let's see if I can find it from right here. It's getting kind of dark now, so it might be hard to see, but I'll see if I can show you the tree. I was in those cedars right there. Right there. Over here, you can see them better. Those two cedars right there. I was in those cedars right there. About a 75-yard shot. Put a good shot on her. Right through her neck, and that's where I was aiming. On a good mature doe. Now tomorrow I'm gonna be after a buck. So I hope you guys enjoyed this hunt, and we'll keep bringing them to you as much as we can get. It's late season's around the corner. We plan at all the food plots we put in were all for late season, so it should be magic late season, but we'll see. But anyhow, big mature Missouri doe down, and we will catch you in the next one.